Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to check message request on Messenger Lite application in your mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you'll have to do is go to Messenger Lite application in your mobile phone. And okay guys, log in your account. And okay guys, sir, after you log in, okay, go to gear icon on the upper right side on your screen. Okay, tap this. And okay guys, after you tap, okay, you can see the message request. And okay guys, you'll have to do is tap the message request. And now here you can see the all message requests on your Messenger Lite application. And okay guys, open a request to get info about who messaging you. They won't know you seen it until you accept the message request. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully checked the message request on your Messenger Lite application. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.